The Daily Code Snippet. Today's topic is relative positioning. When the position property of an element is set to relative, it is positioned relative to its normal position. Other elements will not adjust themselves to fit into any gaps left by a relatively positioned element. Its new position will be governed by setting the top, bottom, left, and right properties. These will determine the amount of vertical and horizontal offset from its normal position. By normal position, we mean where the element would have been situated if it was not relatively positioned. Here is the HTML code again for section 2 in our demonstration. We see that it would be the third circle element. Here is the CSS. So in this example, we will look at a circle element with a dark gray color. This image shows that a relatively positioned element sits to the right of the element with a static position. This is because the absolutely positioned element was taken out of normal flow. The element is shifted down and to the right because we have added 100 pixels of vertical offset and 100 pixels of horizontal offset from where the element would have been positioned had we not set the position to relative. Presented by Designers Learn Code.